Welcome to the shed on the Blue Bike and Doors channel with another episode of Dickin' Around in the Shed. Well, time to start cutting. Notice all my Sissybars that I build. I start and I cut. This one I'm working on for me, but I put it on the back burner because I ran out of cutting wheels and I ain't never got back on it. But we will. So I like to join it in and cut halfway into it on both sides, something like that. This is the one, in last week's episode you didn't see me do this, but I made a good bend. I think it'll work, and we're gonna notch this same way and merge them together. But one thing, chrome has been told, cutting in chrome and welding on it, plating, we'll grind it off the best we can, but it's poison is what I heard. So I got these masks. These masks is for dust and stuff, not the coronavirus, because masks don't work. Got this shield finally. Still ain't got them plugs I ordered. It's still sitting in Atlanta since December 24th, but I got it. I can't see nothing through it. It's so foggy. I don't know. I read the reviews, and that's what one guy said. Said he got it, and it was so hazy he couldn't see through it. Should have read the reviews better.
But he wants. You gotta peel off take the band, and then it comes out like that. Okay. And there's a film on each side. So let's make sure we get that. So now you can see clearly. Woohoo! See?
Let's put it back in. Get to work. Look, I am your father. It's not as funny. With a clear shear. All the grinding done, and I can't breathe in this mask. Alright, now the fun part. Joining two pieces to one. Called welding. Yeah, let's do that. Look, I am your father.
Welding.
Well, there you have it. It's kind of basic right now, but I think that's basic what he wanted. Basically, basic. I mean, according to the picture, lots of grinding. Got to grind it. I'm more of a better grinder, finishing everything up, make it look smooth. Hey, the brave shop, huh? I mean, okay to me. You know, let's get political. These hyper tough 5-pack mask. 5-pack mask. You know what they made at? China. China released a virus on us, the Wang Hu virus, Kung Fu virus, Wang Chong, Wuhan. And then they sell us masks. America first, right? Check out this video. And this one. Hit the subscribe button, I appreciate it. Next step on the Sissybar is grinding, making it look pretty. Later. Oh, I ain't on my grinding stool.